if I put a power strip there, then I would have to take a white cord out of that and then come over there to plug in a white cord and this cord into a power strip. And I think I want to have two power strips, or one power strip plugged in two of these, and then one white cord going out. I mean, you can pick and choose. You can talk to the electrician, you know, in the electrical sales department, ask, hey, what's the benefit of putting two power strips? I could put one power strip and connect these two to one power strip, and then come over and connect this into another power strip that's hooked into this power strip, let's say. You know what I mean? And then all three of these are connected into the floor with two power strips interconnected. You know, maybe that's something to do. I mean, if you put a white little cheesy extension cord on here, you know the kind I'm talking about. You take that, I don't think you're going to have any problem. That's how I did the one upstairs, and that sectional upstairs. I did that because I only have one power strip up there. Okay, and it seems to work fine. So now it's up to me to decide where to put the electrical outlet. Underneath here, and I know that it's going to go over to here. Obviously, the shortest distance is going to be from there to over here. No sense going too far over to here. I could put it right there, though. Those two could be plugged into it. I don't really want to go any further than this, I don't think. And see, I say power strip because I want to get these hooked up into a power strip. When I get the floor outlet, it might only have one outlet on it, and just enough for power strip. You know what I mean? And then I can plug all this stuff into power on the power strip. I did the same type of thing up here. So I don't need two electrical outlets in the floor. You know, one in one location, one in another. See this one here, there was only one floor outlet, and the floor outlet, kaboom, is right there. It doesn't even cover, does it? I wished it covered. We were going to slide this whole thing over this far. We could have done that. But then it would make these people over here more awkward to see the TV as it is. This is kind of, this is about all I wanted to do. I mean, this thing could have been slid over. We could have slid it over, I guess. It would have given us a little bit of extra room walking through here, let's say. Okay, we could have slid that over and covered that up, but we didn't. That allowed us to have this area a little bit bigger, because sometimes when we have people over, they'll sit on this bench. Mommy might be going out there to barbecue, so she wants this area open, and then we could put some chairs up against the couch facing this way, so people can talk. These types of chairs, we just take our chairs over here and slide them over. But see, we've got three things electrified in here. That one, and this one here. And we've got this light plugged into there, but there's only one plug here, right? That's because we've got the power strip, and there was only one. As we pulled this out, there's only one outlet there. It's not a duplex outlet, it's just a single. Most of the time on floors, this is kind of how they do it. It's kind of a heavy gauge brass cover and one outlet. Okay? Like that. And that's probably what I'm going to do on the other one. Remains to be seen. We'll see. If I put a duplex and put a different cover plate on it, a metal cover plate with two on it. But see, this goes to a power strip. Here's my power strip. It's even got the little reset button on it in case it trips or something. The power strip can read that. This goes to one of the couch pieces, and then this is just one of those cheesy extension cords, you know, that's got a double plug in it, and the black line from that unit and also that one plugs into that extension cord, because there was 3 areas to plug into that white extension cord. So we got two different units plugged into the extension cord, and then that extension cord came over and plugged into here. And then this other clear cord was for the light. So we've got quite a few things going on here. So I mean, you can figure out however you want to hook up all that stuff. Okay, so that's just what we do for this, and it seems to have been working out just fine. Hey, that cord was pushed in there. Okay, so now we know what's going on here. Well, Mommy got back. She went to exercise this morning, and I was trying to get this done so that maybe we can go out to breakfast this morning or something. I try to wait till she gets back home to eat breakfast. That way, either we eat breakfast together at home here, or we go out and eat. Okay, so there we go. I've got this kind of figured out now. I got a game plan, don't I? I know I'm coming off of that electrical outlet, and if I have an issue because that's an exterior wall, which I don't think I'm going to, then I may have to come over and do it off of this. This is an interior wall. This goes to a back bedroom there, and that could be easier to get through. If so, I'd have to have the Romex cabling at least long enough to go from there over to here, as opposed from here to there. Okay, but like I say, if you're going to start doing some electrical projects on your own at home, you might want to get a longer piece of cabling. I'm going to be putting in a ceiling fan upstairs in Mother's room, and I need wire for that. I need wire for this over here, and later on down the road, you keep watching my channel. When I do it, I'll make videos of it. I'm going to put a ceiling fan up in this back bedroom, and also a ceiling fan in this room. Oh, there's our little kitty. She likes this area. Hello, Pip. No ceiling fan, no light fixture up there, no nothing. So I'm gonna have to fish a wire all the way up there, and I'm gonna have to do the same thing over here, and I've got one upstairs to do, and I've got this other thing to do. I might get 100 feet Romex cabling, or I can get whatever I get. I'll always have extra for later. Those are actually going to be hard to do too. You might want to look for those videos on my channel when I put those ceiling fans in there, because this ceiling has no attic. That's the floor for upstairs. Okay, how am I going to do that? Well, oh, you hear that noise? I thought I heard something loud. I think that's the bathtub upstairs. The jets going on. I was thinking, what the heck is that noise? Anyways, to put this up, I'm gonna have to cut a hole in the wall and also in the ceiling. I may have to cut 2 holes in the ceiling, and then patch, tape top, texture skim, paint, prime and paint, and all that to get the electrical up here for a ceiling fan. I got to do the same thing in this room. I'm not really looking forward to it because it's over the bed, and I may have to take this bed apart, slide the box spring and the mattress up against this wall, lean it up actually that way and get it out of the way, because I can't really lean it on this wall because I'm going to be doing work right there where that switch is. That switch is not for any lights other than the ones by the bed. See? And so I'm going to have to put the switch there, and I'm going to have to patch a hole in the wall there to get the electrical up, and also up in the ceiling, depending which way the floor joists go. So I'm going to have to do some patching and some texturing and all that kind of stuff. So I don't want this bed in the way. So I'm going to have to figure out what to do. In fact, I might slide the bed out of this entire room when I get ready to do that. That's going to be down the ways a little bit. First and foremost, I think I'll have to talk to Mommy. She's been wanting electrical in this sectional for quite some time now. We've been in this house for the last 1.5 years. But we don't get many guests out here, and so it's been okay. She's only used this a few times, and we don't usually come down here and watch TV, but you know, we want it all set up for when we do. Okay, so that's probably going to be my next project, is getting underneath here, and we're in winter, and I'm glad all my stuff that I was doing outside is done. I did all kinds of stuff down there, and I've got all that stuff on my channel, of course, and I've got to slog through some of the snow and stuff to get underneath the house where the crawl hole is and stuff, but that's okay. I can do that. I don't mind. I can do that, and this is all kinds of stuff I can do during the day. You know, you got different projects to do on the outside of your house. Do those first before you do anything inside, and that's what I was trying to do before the weather changed, so that I can now concentrate on doing ceiling fans and doing other things inside the house rather than doing anything outside. Okay, so anyways, I've got my plan and I'm ready to go. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.